If you have ever tried to thread the bobbin on this Chinese shoe repair sewing machine, you would find that the bobbin actually falls off the shaft and slips on the shaft, and the rubber wheel slips on the large wheel. So to solve all these problems, I have come up with a few modifications. You cut a groove in the middle of the shaft, which is a screw that you slide the bobbin on. You put your thread in the shaft slot and you put your bobbin over the shaft. Now the bobbin won't slip because you are holding the thread still on the shaft. We have added double-sided tape because without it the rubber wheel will slip. So you must put tape on the large wheel, as we'll show you coming up here.
Ready?
Yep. Okay, now we're going to put the thread into the shuttle. There's a tensioner in there, and I have found that the third hole is the best hole to put the thread through in this shuttle.
Is it on? Okay, you can pause it.
To keep the larger thread from wobbling, we had to put a smaller spool underneath it. If we take and not have that there, then it wobbles. The largest thread that you can use is V207 or T210. You can't use any larger thread than that on there. And the needle is a 15 by 1 with a European 140 or a US 22 hole size. That's for the needle. Now you're watching us actually thread the machine. And there's a special little wire. You can barely see it, but it goes up that and grabs the thread to pull it through. See that? You have to use a wire type needle threader to get that thread through that hole of the needle. It just won't go in otherwise. It's very thick. It picks up the thread from the bottom just like a regular sewing machine does.
Got it?
You only need to thread it through the
Put this on
bottom
here.
tensioner.
That on there. That on there. That on there. That's all set. Now I'm going to...
It's amazing how many layers of material this thread and needle combination will go through. To pull your material out, pull some slop of the thread right after the tension washers that are on top. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this, and see you next time.